Montgomery ground, good morning, Cessna 4975 Foxtrot with Alpha at Gibbs, ready to taxi to join the pattern.
So it's 4975 Foxtrot, Montgomery ground. Runway 28 right, taxi via Juliet Hotel and Alpha.
28 right, Juliet Hotel Alpha, 75 Foxtrot, thanks.
Rest going.
Montgomery Tower, Cessna 4975 Foxtrot at 28 right and Alpha, ready to join the pattern.
That's 4975 Foxtrot, Montgomery Tower, make right, close traffic, runway 28 right, clear for takeoff traffic, depart north of 28 right, helicopter westbound.
Alright, we'll clear for takeoff 28 right to join the right traffic, and we'll look for that helicopter, 75 Foxtrot.
Senses real, fatal attraction is holding me fast. How can I escape its irresistible grasp? Can't keep my eyes from the circling sky. Tongue-tied and twisted, just an earthbound misfit. I see my shadow fly out of the corner of my watering eye. I dream unthreatened by the morning light. Could blow this soul right through the roof of the night. There's no sensation to compare with this. Suspended
Foxtrot, cross 28 left at Mike and contact ground.
Crossing 28 left at Mike and contact ground on the other side, 75 Foxtrot. Montgomery ground system 4975 Foxtrot off of 28 left at Golf 1, ready to taxi back to Gibbs.
Delta 4975 Foxtrot, Montgomery ground, taxi to Gibbs via Hotel and Juliet.
Hotel and Juliet, 75 Foxtrot, thanks.